Build your system the way you want with Milwaukee Packout, the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Milwaukee Packout revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on the job site. Packout is the first multi-footprint system providing true modularity, allowing you to stack and lock boxes, organizers, and totes in any configuration that works for you. The base of the system is the Packout Rolling Toolbox, featuring 9-inch all-terrain wheels that have been designed to easily roll over a variety of rough job site surfaces. An industrial-grade extension handle supports box loads up to 250 pounds and features a wide handle, giving you a more comfortable grip during transportation. All Packout toolboxes are constructed with impact-resistant polymer and IP65 rated seals to prevent damage from water and job site debris. Packout organizers are designed to connect to any of the Packout system components and include removable bins to maximize organization. These bins can also be mounted to common job site materials with integrated screw slots. These organizers utilize impact-resistant polymer and are IP65 rated to prevent damage from water and job site debris. Packout totes have been designed to attach on top of any Packout storage boxes or organizers, providing optimized storage space to fit accessories, hand tools, or even larger tools like an impact driver or sawzall. Take these totes off the stack and transport around the job site comfortably with padded shoulder straps. 1680D ballistic material and all-metal hardware maximize the durability of these totes. Total modularity gives you the freedom to customize your Packout system the way you want. Milwaukee Packout, the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.